Your Tally data is not safe because anyone can copy your Tally data and they can open in any Tally if they know your username password. Now using this add-on, you can protect your company data. If anyone copying your Tally data and opening in their Tally, even though they know the username and password and admin credentials, they cannot log in their Tally. In this video, you can see I have added TDL in this Tally and I have created one admin user and two users. Admin username password is admin, password is A, and I have created Deepak and Kumar, password is A. Now, for example, anyone or this Deepak or Kumar copying the data to pendrive and they are trying to open this company in their Tally or any other Tally, even though they know the username, because Kumar know his username password, he also know Deepak username password and admin username password, so he is more confident in copying the data. Now you can see Kumar is trying to open that company data in another Tally. He is opening from the pen drive, now typing Kumar password A, but it is not logging in. So he is trying Deepak username password, Deepak and password is A, that is also not logging in. But he's a smart guy, he know the admin username password, so he's trying admin and the password is A, but also it is not logging in. This is the protection we are giving in this add-on. GetMyTDL doing Tally customization for last 22 years. We are helping 1000 plus Tally partners worldwide. I am suggesting you to visit our website. In that you can see all new add-ons, list of add-ons. There are a lot of add-ons and we are keep updating new add-ons in this list. To watch the video, you can simply click on the name, click on the contact us page. There you can see our WhatsApp link. You can click on the WhatsApp logo to chat with us. Click on the YouTube logo to watch our YouTube channel. In that also you can see lot of videos. I am suggesting you to subscribe the video so you will get notification of new solutions. To buy this add-on, WhatsApp to 90370 Get updated with new add-ons, new solutions, new technologies. For that, subscribe GetMyTDL YouTube channel. Click on the bell button, select all. We will meet in the next video with another solution. Till then, bye.